Alright, so this is our USA Form 2, Section C, the final part, right? So we'll start with our question 26 first. A, expand 3x minus y squared. So this is a 1 mark question. You can basically just use your shortcut to expand it, okay? So 3x minus y squared, again, if this is a square item, you can square your front, square your back, you will have your 9x squared plus y squared. And the middle part, you just multiply in between this term, and 2. So you have a negative 6xy. Okay, if you are given 2 marks to calculate, make sure you do your expansion properly. You have 3x minus y, 3x minus y, then you need to multiply into it by 4 times. Okay, so you have a 9x squared minus 3xy minus 3xy plus y squared, and only you will get a negative 6xy plus y squared, and the negative 6xy is in the middle part. Right, this is when the mark is more. Right, this is only a 1 mark thing, you can just put like this lah. Then you will get a full mark. Okay, for B, factorize completely for this term. So you have x cubed minus xy squared. First of all, you can factorize your x first. You have x bracket x squared minus y squared. Normally over here you will get a mark already, right? But it is not complete. Why? Because over here, when you have something square minus something square again, you can perform factorization by having 2 brackets, 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay, this is a rule. So from here you have x squared minus y squared, you remain your x by the side, but over here you can continue to factorize. You will get x plus y, x minus y. Then over here there is another mark. Okay, your bracket, it can interchange. You can put your negative part in front, your plus, your addition part behind. It doesn't matter, right? Because this is a multiplication. Okay, so moving to your C, in the diagram below, PQRST is a regular pentagon. Then you are looking for the values of x plus y. Okay, to get your x value is quite simple. You need this figure to look, right? You have to get this figure, then you have a 90 here. You just perform your subtraction because this is a triangle. Okay, triangle total, you will have 180. And since this is a regular pentagon, you can get your interior angle first. So interior angle is 5 minus 2 times 180 divided by your 5. So you will get a 540 over 5, which means 108 for each. Okay, then to get this question mark angle, which is your angle, okay, let's put something here. Maybe this is an A. To get your angle AP cube, you will use 108 minus 68. Okay, then you will get 40 degrees here. And to get your x value, you will use 180 minus the 40 that you just found, minus another 90 degrees, which is the right angle. Okay, then you will have 50 degrees for your x. To get your y value, again, this part is also 108 because this is a regular pentagon. So y equals to 108 minus your 90. You will get 18 degrees. And don't forget to add both degrees together. Okay, so x plus y, you have a 50 plus 18, you get 68 degrees for your answer. Right, so this is your C. And moving on to your D, the diagram below shows 2 different regular polygons combined at side PQ. And you are looking for the perimeter of the combined shape. Okay, this is simple because you have already known that this is a hexagon. Okay, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have 6 sides. To get this incomplete polygon, you will either need their interior angle or their exterior angle to calculate the number of sides. Okay, and because of this, we will need to check on the interior angle for your regular hexagon first, right? So interior angle For your hexagon, it would be 6 minus 2 times 180 over 6. Okay, so you have 720 over 6, which is 120 degrees. So this part is 120. Okay, from here you will know the interior angle of this incomplete polygon by using 360 to subtract your 100 and 120. So 360 minus 100 minus 120, you will get 140 for the interior angle. Okay, you can use this to continue to calculate, or if you want to make it with easier formula, you can use the exterior formula lah, right? So exterior angle is actually 180 minus 140, where you have 40 degrees. And to get your n, you will use 360 divided by 40, you will get your 9. Okay, so over here your n is 6, over here your n is 9. So basically you just add together, then multiply by 3, you should get the final answer. But because of this part, this is the combination part, which means your n in this case, you will have 5 instead of 6, because 1 is overlapping, right? To see the things even clearer, you can just check you are actually having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only, right? Because the 6th side is covered, the PQ length, right? They are overlapping. So we are not going to calculate that. It is not your parameter, right? And same concept will apply here. Your n is 9, but to calculate your parameter for the combined shape, you will need to minus 1, which means you are actually calculating on 8. Okay, so for your total perimeter, you will use 5 plus 8 multiply with 3 cm. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 times 3, you get a 39 cm. And this is the answer for your D.